Now let's look at HEX, the favored son, our favored son HEX. Let's look at the big pair here. Let's try and find. Let's go to HEX. I think there's a big one. Yeah. Let's go to the $1 million one. This is PulseChain V2. Let's have a look at this chart. So I might try and clip this out too. Let's have a look at the hourly first, and we'll get rid of the overlays. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, we got Crypto Clodo in the house. Hello, folks. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you, Crypto Clodo. Yeah, don't forget to get in the chat and say hello, guys. That's what we love. That's what we love. All right, so let's start off with HEX. I'll clip this one out, and our HEX chart here is showing us up pretty nicely. We said this earlier, but we're at 44.55. We have got to 45/100th of a penny, which is beautiful, right? Beautiful there on the hourly. It's nice to show that on the upside there, volumes are ticking along. Let's go to 4 hourly. 4 hourly there, we're 21 4 hourly moving average is at a 36/100th of a penny. Looking good there. Now, remember we had this little God mode wick. Remember that guy came in 450K? I don't know if he used all of it on buying HEX, but certainly it pumped HEX up to 4,500. And here we've gone back up to that, right? So chances of moving higher, very good here on the 4 hour. Let's look at the RSI just to show what room we've got. We are elevated and overbought on the 4 hour. The stochastics still got a bit of room to move though. Let's go to the daily then and see what that looks like. Well, we are elevated at 80. We could go hot though at 90. The stochastic's still high, but that can stay elevated as well. Well, we got, move a bit higher here. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's see if we can hit our Fibonacci, right? Let's take this away. And we got the 21-day moving average at 29/100th of a penny. With that 4 hour was at 36. So that's kind of a nice zone there. And we got good support at 31/100th of a penny. And so we're up from there, right? Kind of cool. Let's put on the RSIs. The Fibonacci, I should say. This is from yesterday, I believe. We've got our targets, right? So our target here on the Fibonacci extension is currently 69/100th of a penny. This is a little different what I had the other day, but as you guys know, feeling very bullish about 47 to half a penny. So half a penny looking like it's definitely doable here. And we'd have to just get hot on the RSI there, up at 90 or something. But certainly, it's plausible with the uptrend and momentum at the moment. All right, let's go to the long time view. Wins the weekly, and you can see the weekly here. Very key lines here. So half a penny is some horizontal resistance, and that seems the mark there at the moment. So kind of cool. We have hit our 4,500, so that's cool too. So everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Let's go to the weekly RSI. We have just reached above 70, so we're not only elevated, but just slightly in the overbought. So the stochastic is very high at 100. So yeah, we've got a little bit of room to move. I reckon half a cent's going to be try to be dragged down. Do you guys reckon? I reckon that I still reckon with the momentum continuing, Bitcoin up, we've still got that half a cent penny target. 47 on the low side, 51 on the higher side at the moment. But certainly that half a penny it's kind of almost in grasp and almost in reach on the old HEX there. That's just on PHEX, doesn't include EHEX, right? EHEX were already over half a penny if you combine the two values. So whew, hot dog at a dog. That is pretty much HEX coverage there.